Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum 7th class. Welcome to AppSec's online sport program. My name is Taiba Khalid and I'm your maths teacher in this session. Now I'm going to start my lecture again with the following contents. The first one is inverse proportion and the second one is algebraic and graphical representation of inverse proportion and the third one is other forms of inverse proportion. Again in this lecture we are going to solve the problems about the algebraic and graphical representation of inverse proportion. How to solve them? In the following table, A is inversely proportional to B. It is already given to us. Find the equation connecting A and B, hence complete the table. In this question, by using this table, we have to find the equation connecting A and B and we have also complete the table. The first step is we have to form the equation. As it is given to us A is inversely proportional to B, this equation would become A is equal to K by B, which is given. First we have to find the value of K by using the known values of A and B, which are in the table 5 and 10, which are known. Put the value of A and B, which are 5 and 10, in this equation. The value of A is 5 and the value of B will be 10. As we know that when this value get transferred, it will get multiplied. It would become K is equal to 5 into 10. This would multiply to give K is equal to 50. Now the value of K will be 50. Put the value of K in this equation. This equation would become K is equal to 50 by B. Now this is the equation connecting A and B. Now we have to find the value of B and A. By using this equation, we will find the value of B and A. For B, by putting the value of A in this equation, we will find the value of B. By putting the value of B in this equation, which is 4, we will get the value of A. And this, with the help of this equation, we will find the value of B and A. I hope that you got my lecture. This is the assignment for you. Practice now 10 part 3 page number 28 and the exercise 1C question number 10 at page number 29. This work should be done on your loose sheets and these questions are related to this problem. If you got any problem, then please let me know and consult with me. I hope that you got my lecture. Thank you.